What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Edgar from Brawl Stars. Let's get started with the front edge of the hair bangs. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down, across the face, and then out towards the right. Now let's just pull that up to create a seam. We're going to go out towards the left, and then pull that up. Let's tuck the right side of the hair in behind. From this point we're going to step up, curve down, and then bend that out towards the side. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the head. From the left side, we're just going to round this out, go up, and then in towards the top. Just going to round out the head, come across, and then down on the right. Now I just want to pull this out towards a point. We're going to come down and bend that out. Now I'm going to bend this seam over towards the left side. So from here, it's going to go up and then bend that out. And now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the hair. Let's start over on the left side. We start with a half oval. We're going to come down towards the bottom of the eye and then pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to start right about here, come down, and then bend that up. Let's pull the left pupil in towards the inside edge of the eye. So starting at the very top, we're going to draw an oval, coming down, and then back up, and then we'll fill the pupil in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw on the nose. Starting back on the left, curve down, and then up. Let's move out and draw on the side of the head. From the left side, we're going to step in, curve the head, coming down, and then bending that in to about the same height as the nose. Let's go over towards the right side, come down, and then in towards the same height. Let's connect the ends with a curve for the top edge of the scarf. We come down underneath the nose, and then bend that up. Let's wrap the scarf around the head. From the outside corner, we're going to step up, curve out, down, and then bend that in, and do the same thing on the right. Going out, down, and then in. Let's close off the bottom, starting back on the left, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. I'm also going to add a thick lash on the outside of the left eye. Starting from the bottom, we're just going to taper this out, and then up underneath the hair, and fill that area in black. Let's tuck the ears along the side of the head. Starting from the top left, curve the ear going up, down, and then in. From the top, we'll step down, add the fold, going up and then out. Let's go over towards the right side, curve the ear going out, and then up underneath the hair. I'm also going to add a little bit of hair on the side. Starting from the top, we'll step in, curve out, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's go back and add some thick stripes across the scarf, leaving a large gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to curve down, and then bend that in, go over towards the right, come down, and then in. Let's add another line, going out, come down, and in, and the same thing on the right. Let's move down and draw on the vest. We start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to curve the bottom of the vest, starting on the left, come down and in. We want to leave a gap in the center, and we'll pull the vest going straight up underneath the scarf. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the vest, step in and draw two straight lines coming down towards the hips. And I'll connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add some detail to the body. From the left hip, we're going to step up, draw the top edge of the belt, coming down and then up. Now add a circle in the center, starting from the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up, and a smaller circle in the center. Let's draw two small squares on either side of the buckle. Starting on the left, start with the top, and down the sides, and close off the bottom. Let's add another one on the outside. And do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the first square, and add one more on the outside. Let's add that logo in the center of the shirt. We're going to start at the top left, curve up, and then down. Now we're going to come down, add some drips, coming down and up, come down a little bit further in the middle, go up, curve out and up on the right. And then on the inside, we're going to add 2 X's, one on the left, one on the right. Step down and draw a straight line going across. And then we'll simplify the logo on the top right. Start with a circle and add 2 small X's on the inside. Let's add a strap on the outside of the vest. From the bottom corner, step up, curve down and in on both sides. Go straight up with a short line, and follow that same curve going out towards the side. Now I'm going to continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down, and then leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. And now we're going to add a toe cap. Starting from the outside, we're going to draw a half circle, going up towards the top and then down towards the bottom. Go to the outside of the toe cap, draw a straight line going up on either side. And from here, we're just going to curve down and then back up on the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve this out and then down in behind the boot, leaving a little overlap on the outside. And we're going to add a stripe on the outside of the leg. Start from the top, step in, follow that same curve coming down. And then we'll add a strap across the top of the boot. Halfway along the top, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll follow that same curve going out and up towards the outside of the boot. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the sleeves. Starting from the bottom corner of the vest, we'll step up, curve out, and then up on either side. Then from the outside, curve up and in behind the scarf. Let's go back to the inside of the sleeve, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb. Connect the bottom of the thumb to the wrist with a curve, going up and then in. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we come down and then bend that up. Add 2 more fingers. Step down, down, up. And then the 3rd finger, go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the sleeve. Again, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the edge of the glove. Starting from the top of the thumb, we curve up and then out, step up, and just follow that same curve coming back in. I'm also going to add a small X on the back of the wrist, starting on the left side, and down and then out. And then from the bottom of the sleeve, we'll step down and follow that same curve coming in. Let's draw the scarf coming out from the right side. Starting from that bottom corner, curve down, and bend that out. Draw a straight angle line coming back in, and we'll follow that same curve going up underneath the hand. Let's separate out the bottom. Stepping in, just draw that same angled line, and we'll add some tassels. Halfway along this line, separate that in half, separate the outsides in half. And then we'll add a few thick stripes, starting at the top, angle down and in, step up, draw that again. And that's pretty much it. There's Edgar from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.